I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you our Jet Pro Soft Stretch Inkjet paper.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our Jet Pro Soft Stretch by Nina Koldenhof. So let's get started.
Okay, we did use the Epson Workforce printer, which is a pigment ink printer. And this is the Jet Pro Soft Stretch. So this is for light garments, and it has a clear polymer background. So you don't have to cut precise, but if you want to eliminate some of that feel, you can cut just loosely around your image. All right, there we go. And notice that when printing this, we did mirror the image because this is going to go face down with the backing side up.
Thank you. Okay, so you can press to any fabric item, cotton, polyester, or blend. Today we are going to be pressing to an apron. Okay, just set appropriately on. We did pre-press this prior, so if you have a lot of wrinkles in it or you're going to need moisture, we would highly recommend a pre-press for about 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, place appropriately, and I'm going to cover with a piece of silicone. This also weighs it down a little bit. And we are pressing it at 350 degrees, 30 seconds at a very heavy pressure. Okay, so we are going to let this cool for a few moments, and then we're going to repress for 30 seconds.
All right, once it's cooled, you can remove the backing. Okay, once it's peeled, you're going to want to do that second press.
There we go. Just lay on your platen, and then we're going to cover again with a piece of silicone. And then just again for 30 seconds at 350 degrees. Okay, then we can just remove this one immediately. Just be very careful when you remove. We're going to let it sit to the side just to cool for a few moments. Okay. And then now you have one personalized apron. Again, this is perfect for any type of fabric, cotton, polyester, or blend. Anything else you want to add in there, Meredith?
Sure, as always, just remember when washing, wash in cold water, no harsh detergents, and stay away from that liquid fabric softener.
There you go. So thank you for watching our video tutorial, and don't forget to check out our instructions on coastalbusiness.com, and we'll see you next time.